Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a window into space. So for example, the things on the other side of the window you make into space or whatever you want. I'm going to show you how to crop and do that right now, so let's get on with the video. Okay, so we are in Photoshop right now, and this is going to be a 60-second tutorial. So all I have to do first of all is going to make this a layer and call it window, just like so. And once it's called window, then you can select this tool right here. And what you're going to do with this tool is you're going to just crop around this corner or this window on the left here, and then you're just going to press delete. Okay, so now that's a clear layer, and you're going to do the same with the other window on the right. You want to just find the folder with your galaxy in, choose the galaxy just off the internet and just drag it onto the picture there. All I'm going to do is drag that behind the window just like that, and now there we go, space in the background. That's all you want to do. But yeah, that looks pretty good, so I'm probably just going to leave it as that. That's really it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace.